Pineapple is a tropical and nutritious fruit. While more research is necessary, pineapple may possess many health benefits, such as treating digestive problems and inflammation. Christopher Columbus brought pineapples back to Europe after an expedition to South America. Pineapples became known as an extravagant and exotic fruit, served only at the most lavish of banquets. However, pineapples are now common, and people are able to enjoy them in solid, dried, and juice forms. In Central and South America, pineapple is not only valued for its sweet taste, it has been used for centuries to treat digestion problems and inflammation. This article explores the health benefits and nutrition of pineapple, as well as providing ways to include it in the diet. Nutrition: 1 cup of fresh pineapple chunks contains approximately trusted source, 82 calories 0.2 grams, g, of fat 0 grams of cholesterol 2 milligrams, mg, of sodium 21.65 grams of total carbohydrate, including 16 grams of sugar and 2.3 grams of fiber, 0.89 grams of protein as a percentage of your daily requirements. The same amount of fresh pineapple chunks provides 131% of vitamin C, 2% of vitamin A, 2% of calcium, 3% of iron. Pineapple is also a source of important vitamins and minerals, including thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin B6, folate, pantothenic acid, magnesium, manganese, potassium, beta-carotene, and other antioxidants. Fresh pineapple is the only known source of an enzyme called bromelain, which might play a role in a range of different health benefits. Eating fruits and vegetables of all types has long been associated with a reduced risk of many lifestyle-related health conditions. Many studies have suggested that increasing consumption of plant foods like pineapples decreases the risk of obesity, overall mortality, diabetes, and heart disease. It also promotes a healthy complexion and hair, increased energy, and an overall lower weight. The following are possible benefits of eating pineapple. Age-related macular degeneration. In one prospective study from 2004 trusted source, people who ate 3 or more servings per day of all fruits demonstrated a decreased risk and slowed progression of age-related macular degeneration. Asthma prevention. The risks of developing asthma are lower in people who consume a high amount of certain nutrients. One of these nutrients is beta-carotene. It is found in orange, yellow, and dark green plant foods, such as pineapple, mangoes, papaya, apricots, broccoli, cantaloupe, pumpkin, and carrots. Some smaller studies trusted source have suggested bromelain can also contribute to reducing asthma symptoms. Blood pressure. Increasing potassium intake by consuming high potassium fruits and vegetables can help with lowering blood pressure. According to the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, NHANES, fewer than 2% trusted source of U.S. adults meet the daily 4,700 mg recommendation. A high potassium intake is associated with a 20% trusted source decreased risk of dying from all causes. Cancer. Is an excellent source of vitamin C, a strong antioxidant. Pineapples can help combat the formation of free radicals. These are linked to the development of cancer. Older studies have shown beta-carotene to have an inverse association trusted source with the development of colon cancer in a Japanese population. A 2004 case control study trusted source linked beta-carotene to a protective effect on prostate cancer. However, more recent studies trusted source have demonstrated that this may not be the case. High fiber intake from all fruits and v. Diabetes. Individuals with type 1 diabetes who consume high fiber diets tend to have lower blood glucose levels, and individuals with type 2 diabetes may have improved blood sugar, lipids, and insulin levels. One medium pineapple provides about 13 grams of fiber. The Dietary Guidelines for Americans recommends trusted source 21 to 25 grams per day for women and between 30 and 38 grams per day for men. Digestion. Pineapples, because of their fiber and water content, help to prevent constipation and promote regularity in a healthy digestive tract. Pineapples are also rich in bromelain, an enzyme that helps the body digest proteins. Bromelain also reduces inflammatory immune cells, called cytokines, that damage the digestive tract lining. The inedible stems are the most concentrated source of bromelain, which can be extracted and is readily available in supplement form. Fertility. Antioxidant-rich diets have been shown to improve fertility. Because free radicals can damage the reproductive system, foods with high antioxidant activity like pineapples are recommended for those trying to conceive. The antioxidants in pineapple, such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, and the vitamins and minerals copper, zinc, and folate have properties trusted source that affect both male and female fertility. Healing and inflammation. Some studies have shown that bromelain, primarily in the stem, can reduce trusted source swelling, bruising, healing time, and pain associated with injury and surgical intervention. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, and vitamin C content in pineapple all promote heart health. In one study, people who consumed 4,069 milligrams of potassium per day reduced the risk of death from ischemic heart disease. 49% trusted source when compared with those who consumed less potassium. Researchers link high potassium intakes to